Have you ever wondered how companies manage traceability? In today's fast-paced world, supply chain traceability is crucial. Books365 Track and Trace. It streamlines your operations effortlessly. Books365 Track and Trace applications provides an all-in-one traceability solution for assets and inventory catalog. It connects warehouse management, logistics, and traceability. This is integrated with RFID and QR code technology. The solution also seamlessly integrates with existing ERP systems and devices. Books365 Track and Trace seamlessly integrate with RFID and QR code hardware from Zebra, Honeywell, Heidi, and other vendors. With Books365 Track and Trace, you can monitor and track all inbound and outbound goods automatically. This tool reduces complexity and enhances flexibility in tracking. Let's see how this advanced traceability solution works step by step. First, Books365 Track and Trace applications integrate smoothly into your current supply chain. Next, it enables real-time tracking of operational goods. Tasks like picking and tracking are simplified. RFID and QR codes enhance this process further. RFID uses radio waves to track items efficiently. Tags with microchips send signals captured by a reader. This setup allows automatic tracking of multiple items. RFID offers real-time tracking without manual scanning. Inventory management becomes streamlined and less time-consuming. RFID tags resist harsh environments, maintaining accuracy. However, RFID has downsides. Implementation can be costly and requires specialized infrastructure. Now let's turn to QR codes, another valuable tool. These simple two-dimensional barcodes store information easily. Smartphones can scan QR codes, accessing relevant data instantly. QR codes are inexpensive to produce and easy to implement. Anyone with a smartphone can scan them effortlessly. However, scanning is manual, which can slow down tracking. Let's discuss how RFID and QR codes complement each other. Use RFID for bulk tracking in warehouses or shipping. Apply QR codes for individual asset identification. Together, they provide a comprehensive tracking solution. Consider a practical example. A manufacturing company uses RFID to track raw materials. They also implement QR codes for finished products. This setup allows customers to access product details easily. In summary, Books365 Track and Trace simplifies supply chain traceability management. By integrating RFID and QR codes, efficiency is maximized. This hybrid approach reduces manual work and enhances tracking. Are you ready to transform your supply chain traceability management? Visit our website to learn more about Books365 Track and Trace. Join us to innovate and streamline your operational processes. Don't miss out on maximizing your asset and inventory traceability management. Act now. Contact us at start@books365in for a demo and discussion.